Today we will look at how to create this animation video using Canva. Let's quickly go into Canva and let me show you how it's done. I've taken the time to add the 26 alphabets into our design page. If you want to get this alphabet, you just go over to Elements and search for alphabet and go over to Graphics, and you scroll down, you will see the animated one, but that's not the one I use. I use the static one, which is just here. Once you click on the first alphabet, let's click on A, and once that drop, it opens up the magic recommendation where you will see all of the other alphabets, and you can also change the colors of the alphabet if you wish to do so. Let's change the black to another color. Let's pick purple. Yeah, we've replicated that color, so you can go ahead and change the colors of the alphabets into what colors you want. As for the hand, I searched for a hand holding a magnifying lens, which brought out this hand. And I also added a song, which is the song I got from YouTube Studio to help me guide me how to the animations will play out. So the song will be coming out as we go further into the animation. So if you look at the design page, I added five alphabets for the first 4 lines, and the last line was 6 alphabet, making it the 26 alphabets. Now let's click R on our keyboard to bring out the rectangle shape. We'll spread that out to cover our design page. And let's change the color to white. Now that we've done this, let's go duplicate this page. If you look down here, you will see that the song is coming out like I mentioned earlier. As we add more pages, it will be coming out. So let's quickly go over to position. Under layers, we'll move the hand to come above the white rectangle shape we added, and we'll go move the first alphabet up. You see that? Yeah, I want it to be on top of the magnifying hand so that it's clear, the color is clear. Now we'll duplicate this second page and go to the layers again and move the B up, then come to the page and drag the hand under the B. We'll duplicate the page again and do the same. Move the C above the hand and move the hand to the C. So you can take your time to position the hand how you want it. If you want it to rotate, if you want it to move around. Yeah, so just take your time and move the hands. We'll continue duplicating these pages to do the same for all the alphabets we have on the page. Now we are going to do that for E. We'll move it up and we'll move the hand. This time we'll rotate it and we'll move it to cover. Take your time to adjust the hand how you want it to move. Let's duplicate this page again and go move the F up to go above it. The purpose is for it to go above the hand. And let's drag the hand and rotate the hand again. Yes, to be under the F. We'll duplicate the page again. This process is going to continue. I don't want to fast forward it. I'm going to take my time to do it so you see what has been done, every part of the animation. So we're going to continue for that of H. Take your time to move the hand around how you want. If you don't want it to just move that way, you can rotate the hand how you want it to act when you animate your pages. Take your time to do that. Yeah, we've done for I. Let's go duplicate the page so we can bring up H. Sorry, bring up J. Yes, let's rotate the hand and position the hand how we want it. Yeah, We'll duplicate the page again and go move key up. Yeah. So we'll rotate the hand again and position it how we want it to be. We'll continue duplicating the page, or after we'll position the hand. The process is duplicate the page, drag the next letter up, and move the hand. Then we'll go over the process again, duplicate the page, drag the next letter up, and move the hand. You get the flow, right? So you duplicate the page now, drag the O up so it's reviewed, and rotate this part and move the hand. So you get the flow of how things are going with the movement of each, with the revealing of each alphabet and how they are moving. Yeah, so take your time to position the hand how you want it to look. Take your time. You want to take your time to make a good design. You move the hand, you duplicate the page. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention how I'm duplicating the page. I'm clicking on Ctrl+D on my keyboard, or the three dots to bring out the duplicate. If you notice, I just did the three dots for this one, but what I was doing before now was clicking Ctrl+D on my keyboard, and it duplicates the page like I just did now. Let's move the T up. Yes, and let's rotate the hand and position. You can shrink the hand, you can increase the size, you can reduce the size, you can make it bigger, smaller. Do what works for you. And let's move the U up. So the U can be, so long as the U is above the shape, which is in white color, you can position it anywhere. Actually, it's just that my orderliness and how I want things arranged in my head is what is making me move it to the top. But take your time to do what works for you. Yeah, let's position this hand, let's expand it further. Yes, we've gotten that. Let's duplicate again, and let's move the next alphabet up. I hope this is useful. My son actually enjoyed the video. He really enjoyed the educational content, so it's actually a great way to create content for kids. If you're a teacher, this will be valuable for you. Let's move the S up. I didn't want the hand to cover any alphabet, so that's why I'm burying part of the hand under the page. So parts of the hand is not going to show at the last bottom of the design. So we'll move Y up, and yeah, we'll move the hand and we'll duplicate again. Now we'll move the last letter up, which is Z. We'll be duplicating for the last time after we finish moving the hand. I will tell you why in a minute. So why I want to duplicate this is so that I can come and turn this transparency on. If I want to extend the page so the hand is no longer seen, it will seem as if the hand disappeared. Now that we are done, let's click on any page and go to timing. I want to leave this page timing as 0.5, and I will apply it to all pages. And we'll hover in between any two pages and bring out the transition pane. We'll be using match and move, and we'll apply it to all pages. Let's quickly go to the grid view to see how many pages we have. We have 28 pages we worked on. The last page was the one we turned the hand transparency off, and the first page was the one we used the rectangle to cover the alphabets, and the other ones are the 26 alphabets. Let's go back. I will have to work on the page timing again because it reduced in size when we applied match and move transition. Let's make it back to 0.5 and apply it to all pages. We'll preview that now. As you can see, it didn't flow properly with the song, so you will come and adjust parts of the pages to fit in with the song. We can either use the timing to adjust the page, or we can hover around the page, each page we want to adjust, but I find that tedious because I have to reduce and increase the size of my screen because I'm working with a small screen. Yeah, you see it has brought out finally brought out the dash I'm looking for. You can reduce it with this. Yeah,